Yeah, it's we'll find it. I don't want to mess that connection up again. Hang on, I'll get it. Oh, 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 what? Dale. I am the man, son.
If you can catch a damn minute.
I'm the man. I am the man, like the man. Here, Dale, here's you some bait. Oh, damn, he did. I gotta figure out this trolling. Here, you work this trolling motor. I'll get back.
My damn ladder so I can get caught.
He hammered it. Alright guys, this is one heck of an intro. Here we are at Lake Greenwood, and I had a fish. Up. Oh, what? No, he come off. Damn it. Oh no, it's in my pocket. You just make sure you don't hit that dock over there. Cause our trolling motor's tripping. Damn, Dale. Alright, these bass should be feeding. Possibly. If I play my cards right, guys, we might. We might get something here. It's a wonderful day out here. It ain't too cold, guys. It's we first got a late start. The weather was kind of crazy this morning when we left. We was unsure about how this was going to go. Let's see if we can't snatch this old fat Sally up out of here, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, yes, look at that slab. Fat Sally. Oh, what? Oh, get in the boat, baby. Woo, Lake Greenwood, baby. Look at that. Man, hot diggity. We got a mess going here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry about your eye, buddy. Dang. Ooh, look at that right there. Oh, look, my camera is all looking at everything right there. Look at that YouTube. That's what's up. Yeah. All right, guys, he definitely hammered the crankbait. We're going to get him back in the water here. Get one of these nice, good, fabulous releases on him. He's gone. Woo! Let's go, boy. That old H2O sexy shad jerkbait, son. Did it. Googan rod held up on him, son. Straight murked him. We got some trolling motor issues here, so we're just gonna see what we can do. Stay tuned. Alright guys, he straight murked the old jerkbait, guys. I am a solid believer on this jerkbait, fellas. I love it. I wish I'd have never moved it, honestly. I messed up when I moved it. Found them turtle, big ones. All these turtles, look at them. Jesus, Murphy. Hundreds. It's like 4 there, 4 in the water. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over there. I think I just smacked one in the head. It's crazy, guys. I'm not throwing a chatterbait on it. Oh boy, I about hooked that on a log, I thought.
That's why you need a damn phone where you run over and get off. That fucker ain't never done it. I mean, it's done it, but it come right back on.
Right? I wonder what they'll think about a chatterbait. Oh, I just backlashed the Shimano. Oh, that was first time. Alright guys, we done got situated on. Figure we'll fish around some docks. We're here. Might as well. That's a pretty decent little chunky monk that I caught earlier. Little fat Sally. Slapping them. We could throw this thing for days. That's good winds blowing us where we need to be. Wonder if old South Carolina fish hunter done caught some today. Probably not. But he caught any. I forgot, he's somewhere. Duncan, I think he said.
Yeah, can you look me the HR, please?
This man's in the quit.
I know. Alright. The dog general sucks all the way around. I'm about to leave. I'll see you in just a little bit.
I don't think it's supposed to have that much water in it, guys. Well, alrighty, guys, that's gonna conclude today's fishing adventure. This lake trip was more along the lines of test this boat out. You know, just come up here with my buddy, have him test his boat out for summer, see how good it did. I caught we hammered that big fatty, that little fat Sally, little pee-wee fat Sally. He was a chunky little monk for sure. So we cut it short. We got things to do, but anyway, till next time, keep those lips ripping. Fishing 864, we gone. Peace.